Hello friends, so in this video we are going to discuss practice question for GRE Quant portion. And before starting this video, let me introduce myself. I am Poojan Davda. I am ex-IIScn, MTech Mechanical, and in GATE exam I have secured AR66 in mechanical background. So here is your very first question on screen. If x and y are integers and x is equal to 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 7 into 11 into 13 whole divided by 39 times of y, then which of the following could be the value of y? Which of the following could be the value of y given that x and y both are integers? Given that x and y both are integers, right? So we are having 5 options and this is multiple choice single selection type of question, so only one option will be correct. Okay, so we can get a help from options. We can put value of y's from these options one by one and we can get our answer. And we can also simplify this, can cancel this 39. Ultimately we want x in integer for any of one values of y from these options, because y is integer, right? We have to just satisfy that x and y both should be integer. So we can cancel this 39 with this. 3 into 13 is 39 is cancelled out, and we can write x in this form. We can write x in this form and we'll start taking values of y's from options. We can write x is equals to 2 into 4 into 5 into 7 into 11 divided by y. So we have to make sure this x should be an integer. Let's start from option A. If we put y equal to 15, right, we can write 15 as 5 into 3. We can write 15 as 5 into 3. If we put y equal to 15, then we will be able to cancel this 5, but we won't be able to cancel these 3, right? We won't be able to cancel these 3. So in this case we put value of x, it won't be integer, so option A is incorrect, right? So option A is incorrect. We can't put y equal to 15. So now let us put 28 and we can write 28 as 7 into 4, and yes, we can cancel this 7 with 7 and we can cancel this 4 with 4. In this case x is an integer and x will be 10 into 11, that will be 110. So option B is correct for this question. If you want to check for other options as well, yes, we can check. If you are putting 38, then you can write 38 as 2 into 19, right? Both are prime numbers. In this case we won't be able to cancel 19 because in numerator we are not having multiple of 19, so option C is incorrect. If you are putting 143, so that is equal to 13 into 11, and in this case we will be able to cancel 11, but we won't be able to cancel 13 because in numerator we don't have multiples of 13, right? So E will be in. And for option D, if we put option D, we can write 64 as 8 into 8, right? We can write 64 as 8 into 8. We will be able to cancel this 8 with 8, but we won't be able to cancel this 8, second 8. So option D is also incorrect. Okay, so option B is correct, and let's move on to the next question. And this question is very easy, right? So t is an integer and we are given with this equation. T is an integer and 8 times of m is equals to 16 raised to t. Then which of the following expresses m in terms of t? We have to find value of m in terms of t, right? 2 raised to t, 2 raised to t minus 3. So These are the available options. Yes, we can use this equation. 8 times m equal to 16 times t. We want in this form, so I am writing m equals to 16 raised to t divided by 8. So can I write 16 as 2 raised to 4, right? 2 raised to 4 is 16, and can I write 8 as 2 raised to 3? So that will be equal to 2 raised to 4 raised to t, so it will be 2 raised to 4 times t, and this will become 2 raised to 3. You can take simplified term 2 raised to 4t minus, right? That will be value of m. And option D is correct. So 40 minus 3 will be correct answer for this question. Don't write like this. From here you can't write, right? M equal to 2 raised to 3, right? It's a crime. We can't cancel this 16 with this 8. No, we can't cancel. We have to write in this form only and we can get our answer. Okay, so let us move on to the next question. The perimeter of a flat rectangular lawn is given to us. Perimeter of a flat rectangular lawn is given. It is 42 meters. Okay. The width of the lawn is 75% of its length. Width is 75% of its length. Then what is the area of the lawn? What is the area of the lawn in meters square? Because length and width will be in meters. Okay. So options are given to us. Let us assume length is equals to L. Length is equals to L. So what will be the width? Width is equal to 75% of L. 75 into L divided by 100. That will be 3 by 4 times of L. We can say 0.75 times of L. Okay. So to find area, we have to find this value of L. L is unknown. We are having perimeter with us. So what will be the perimeter? We can write these values. Length is L. Width is 0.75 times of L. So perimeter is equals to 2 times of length plus width. So just put the values. Perimeter is given to us, that is 42 meters, right? Yes, we can simplify this. You can simplify this expression, and we are going to get length. 42 by 2 will become 21. So L will become 21 divided by 1.75. So this will be equal to 12 meters, right? And width will become, what will be the width? .75 times of 12 become 9 meters. So we know length and we know width, so we can find area. This side is of 12, this side is of 9. So area is nothing but length into width. So we got our answer 108 meters square, right? These both are in meters. So option C will be correct answer for this question. Okay. So let us move on to the next question, and this question is very, very challenging, right? So how many of you are able to get correct answer of this question? This is multiple choice, multiple selection type of question. So more than one options might be correct. Okay. So let us read the question first, right? Let us read the question first. Two positive integers are there. Two different positive integers are there, x and y, are selected from the odd integers that are less than 10. Right? You have to choose two different odd integers, x and y, which are less than 10. Okay. Z is equals to x plus y. What is Z? Z is equals to x plus y. And Z is less than 10. Right? X plus y should be less than 10. Then which of the following integers could be the sum of x, y and z? Which of the following integers could be the sum of x, y and z? Indicate all such integers. You have to find all the possible values of x plus y plus z. And given conditions will be helpful to find this answer. So how many odd integers are there which are less than 10? Can we write this set? Yes, we can write all these integers in this set. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So there are 5 possible odd integers. Right? And we have to make sure sum of x and y should be less than 10. Not equal to less than 10. So let us write all the possible pairs of x and y. Let us write all the possible pairs of x and y. X and y should be different and should be less than 10. Okay. So I am taking x equal to 1. Right? I am taking x equal to 1. I am starting from here. So I can take value of y equal to 3. Right? I am writing this pairs of x and y. 1 plus 3 is less than 10. If I am taking x equal to 1, I can take y equal to 5. Right? 1 plus 5 is less than 10. If I am taking x equal to 1, I can take y equal to 7. Because 1 plus 7, that is 8, is equals to less than 10, not equal to. I can't take this, right? If I take x equal to 1 and y equal to 9, then this sum will become 10 and 10 is not less than 10. So I can't take this. So now I am taking x equal to 3. Taking x equal to 3. If I take x equal to 3, if I take x equal to 3, then I can put y equal to 1. Right? If I take x equal to 3, I can write y equal to 1. But we have already written that pair. Right? Generally, ultimately we have to do sum of x and y. Right? So if I write this 3 and 1, it will give us same result. Sum will be 4 only. So I am not writing this. So with 3 I am writing 5. Right? 3 plus 5, 8 is less than 10. We can't write 3 and 7 or we can't write 3 and 9 because sum will be more than 10. Okay. So I have written this. Okay. So if I am writing x equal to 5, with x equal to 5, I can write y equal to 1. But I have already written 1 and 5. With x equal to 5, I can write 5 and 3. But I have already written 3 and 5. With x equal to 5, I can't write 7 or 9. Because sum will be more than 10. Right? So I have written 4 pairs. You can just take reverse of it if you want. So what will be sum of x, y and z? What is z? You have to find this value, right? What is z? Z is nothing but x plus y only, right? We can write z is equal to x plus y. So we have to ultimately find 2 times of x plus y. So what will be 2 times of x plus y? For this case, 1 plus 3, 4 into 2, 8. 1 plus 5, 6 into 2, 12. 1 plus 7, 8 into 2, 16. 5 plus 3, 8 into 2, 16. You have to find all the possible values of y plus z, that is x plus y plus x plus y, that is 2 times of x and y. So 8 is our possible answer, 12 is also possible, and 16 is also possible. So option A, C and D are correct answers for this question. Yes, B and D are not correct. If you will take reverse of this, if you will take 3, 1, that will be different pair, but it will give you the same result. And you can just write 5,1, 7,1 and 5,3, but ultimately the sum will be same and we just want to find sum. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, and I will request you to go through all other videos so that you can cover all the examples, various techniques are given by me, and stay tuned and see you guys in our upcoming video.